Hi, my name is Bailey. I'm going to show you how to thread eyebrows. So, take a piece of nice thread from your middle finger to your elbow, then tie it in a knot, like at the end like that. And then you're going to also need a mirror. Then you're going to put it somewhere close to you, or you can do this in the bathroom. Wrap it around your fingers, like this. So, first of all, you're going to make a line, and then you're going to go just do this. And it might hurt the first couple times you start doing this. You're just going to want to make a line above the eyebrow. Like, you can start seeing the line if you guys are doing this home in front of a mirror, like you'll start seeing a line. And like I said, this might hurt if you're new with it. You can do like this, or it kind of hurts your thumbs and it kind of hurts your fingers, but it's better than waxing, because waxing like it rips your skin and causes premature wrinkles. And yeah, it really does hurt. You can like see like the little hairs like right there. Like I said, it's very, very important to have a mirror. Oh my gosh. And then you can do for the other side. So this is really easy. You can use your thread over and over again. Until your thread starts to fall apart, you can just keep using it and using it. And then after a while, it starts to look pretty good. And be careful not to catch your skin, because that really does hurt. You want to be sure, make sure, and try not to like follow the shape of your eyebrow. And you can do a cross if you have any hair between your eyebrows. I just learned about this method a while ago, like a week or two ago maybe, and I really like it. So I'm super excited. And so yeah, it works really great. If you're in the car or something and you forgot to wax or something, which I said is bad for you, just take some thread from your little sewing kit that mostly everyone keeps in the car, which I do, or put in my purse actually. And then anyways, and you could just sit in the back seat or in the front seat, I mean, with the mirror in front of you, like the little windshield mirror type thingy, and then can you see your thing? Be sure not to get your eyelashes, because that would be horrible. So yeah. And so, like I said, you can just reuse it again, and it works out really well. If you want to make a shape or something, it works out really, really well. So yeah, that's it. Bye.